What are the risks of co-owning your property with your kids to avoid the probate process? If they have a divorce coming after them, a lawsuit coming after them from a car accident, or they lose their jobs and they can't pay their bills and they have creditors coming after them, your property is subject to any of those liabilities because half of your property is in their personal name. And so any of those situations are going to be coming after assets in their personal name. Therefore, they're able to come after the home that you live in. And so if you want to avoid these risks, like you're going to avoid the probate process, you just have to be aware of the risk that it brings up. And so other ways that you can get around this and still avoid the probate process, if it's available in your state, you could do a transfer on death deed. That way you maintain full ownership of that property. You're not putting it in their name. And then when you pass away, it will automatically be transferred down to them because they are the designated beneficiaries with that. Another one is going to be a revocable trust. You put the house inside the revocable trust. You maintain full control and benefits of that property while you are alive, if you so choose. When you pass away, you can either distribute that property out to them in their personal name, or you could keep the property inside of the trust and let someone manage that property. If you put it in their personal name and they have any of those events, the lawsuit, divorce, creditors, that property can still be taken because it's now inside of their personal name after you pass away. If you keep it inside of the trust, that property is not being distributed out to them in their personal name, and any of those events will not be able to touch that house inside of the trust because it's fully separated from them. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.